Yo, what's up, guys? Just another little update. Well, this is what, day 7? Yeah, day 7 now. Since I last posted the eggs. Well, no wigglers around anywhere. That's just a big turd. Anyways, yeah, I was hoping something came out under there, but no. So, yeah, we're gonna have to wait for the next batch. And they are pretty much starting to dance again. This guy is chasing the girl. He made that deeper, so pretty soon she's gonna be dropping her tube, looks like. So yeah, he's ready. I think they ate the eggs. I think the parents ate the eggs, and to get energy for this next batch. I don't know. That's just my guess, but yeah, guys, no babies. Well, that's all I wanted to say. Give you all an update, and we're gonna have to wait. But yeah, they're there. I just fed them some Daphnia and a couple bloodworms. Just bloodworms, just a little. Just look at that guy. Look at the way he's eating. He was upside down. What a weirdo. Look at him. Oh my God, this guy. Yeah, so they're over here by the sponge filter picking at the rest of the Daphnia. So that's what he was doing. But the dude's trying to eat upside down. Like, yeah, well, no babies. He's still in there. He's trying to get the girl to go in there, but she's not ready. There she goes. She's like, nope, I'm out. When she's ready, she'll go in here, and then she'll be the one calling him over. Like, yo, come do your job. So, yeah. Well, guys, till the next one.